Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out a brand new smartwatch that I just received. This is the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. So this watch just came in and I've been trying it out for a couple of days now. So in today's video, think of it as more like a quick preview rather than a full review. So we're going to be going over a couple of key features for this TicWatch. I know some of you guys out there actually really love this brand, but we're going to check out what this TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS is all about. So we're going to move on to the desk here to check it out. Now first up, let's just check out very quickly the box itself. It is actually quite simple. Very important thing here you should note is that this is Wear OS powered by Google. That means you can connect it to your smartphone very easily and you can take up calls and reply to your messages. So right here, I do have the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. Again, the name is very long here, but I believe the reason why they went with that name is because it has a very strong GPS on this watch right here. So first up, let's talk a little bit about the price for this watch right here. It is retailing in Malaysia for RM1399, and if you're in other regions of the world, that is approximately US $330. So definitely not a very cheap watch here, but it's also not too expensive. I would say it's quite acceptable for the kind of features that you get with this guy right here. So we're going to start off very quickly first and foremost by taking a look at the design and build quality. Now you can already see that this watch here actually looks a little bit more simpler compared to previous TicWatch versions. I do like the fact that we have this very nice round face over here. You cannot rotate this outer part here of the rim, but yes, we also do get two buttons, one at the top and at the bottom here. This one actually goes into the list of applications that you have, and it also acts as a back button, but these are not rotating dials, so you can't actually rotate these buttons right here. Now moving on, switching to the back right here, we notice that we have a couple of sensors at the back, and this particular corner here is actually to put your charger so you can charge up the TicWatch pretty fast over here. Now overall, this is a very nice built watch right here. It feels expensive. Everything is made to look very premium, but it is also very durable. According to TicWatch, this watch here is rated at the military standard 810G. What this means basically is that it's very suitable for you in harsh environmental conditions. So if you like to go like hiking, rock climbing, or maybe you're working at a work site or construction site or something like that, then this watch here actually might hold up to all those bumps and knocks against the walls. You can drop this watch and it shouldn't hurt it too much as well. So very, very durable and strong watch right here. Now, we're done talking about the watch itself. Let's talk a little bit about the straps here because they're actually very comfortable as well. These are one of the most comfortable straps that I've actually checked out on a smartwatch. Now, bear in mind that these are still silicone, and that basically means it's rubber. But like I said, it feels very soft to the touch here and it's very smooth against my skin. So definitely have no issues with these straps over here. These are 22mm straps, by the way, and you do have these tiny latches at the back that you can use to swap out the straps if you need to do that. Alright, so let's move on to the front of the watch here and check out the display itself, because this again is one of TicWatch unique proposition. And what I mean by that is that we actually do have a dual display 2.0 right here. And what that means is that you can probably already see here that we do have an LCD panel on the top. And if I just press the button, it activates the AMOLED panel that's sitting at the bottom here. Now bear in mind the size of this display here is 1.4 inches. So it's fairly large, I would say very, very standard here. But again, the ability to have this low-powered LCD panel on the top here allows the watch to show you the time at all times, and the brighter the environment, the more clearer you can actually see the clock here. It is 6:04 p.m. right now. Alright, so that's just in terms of the display. Again, it gets very bright when I'm outdoors. The extra layer of LCD on the top here doesn't really affect the visibility of the AMOLED display at the bottom. And so far, I'm very happy with the image quality coming out from this watch right here. One more thing that I should also take note of is that this particular glass panel here is Corning Gorilla Glass. Now, I don't know what version that is, but basically it would provide some kind of protection to prevent it from getting scratched or cracked easily. Alright, so now done with the display and all that, let's talk a little bit more about the functions that you can expect from this watch. Now, like I mentioned earlier on, this watch here is running the Wear OS, so you'll be very familiar with that if you are already using a Wear OS smartwatch. But this guy here is being powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform. So basically that means that this smartwatch here is going to be very powerful. Everything is going to launch very fast. And of course, you can see here, everything is fluid smooth on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS right here. Very, very nice stuff that we have here. Again, if I just browse through here, you can see that this is just like any Android Wear OS smartwatch. If I drag down from the top here, you can get into a quick shortcuts. And if I swipe up from the bottom right here, this is where I'm able to enter my notifications. Of course, it will show almost every single notification because this is running on Wear OS. And if you're using an Android smartphone, this will work perfectly with your smartphone. Of course, it works with iOS as well. Alright, so if I just swipe from the other side here, this is where I get into my quick assistant. And if I go the other way, this is where I can see my widgets here, which is again very, very easy to use, and you can just add new widgets in using the app itself. Now, the next point that I want to highlight here is in terms of the GPS, because this watch is called the Ultra GPS. And for that, it basically means that it supports 5 different satellites in terms of the GPS. So if you're always on the run, if you go hiking and all that, you should be able to get a very strong signal on your watch itself. So that's definitely good if you're that kind of person. Apart from that, in terms of the fitness items that it tracks here, it tracks approximately 20 different activities. You can see it from the list right here. I'm not going to go through the entire list, but basically it covers your basic stuff, your outdoor runs, your walks, your cycling, your swimming and all that. All the basic stuff that you can imagine is actually covered here in the watch itself. So very good stuff there. Now, in terms of the health items that it tracks here, again, this watch is actually quite strong here. And what I mean by that is that it actually supports your heart rate tracking. All-day heart rate tracking is also tracking your sleep here. Very quite accurate, actually, I would say. And it also has your all-day SpO2 for your blood oxygen measurements right there. And yeah, it also tracks your stress levels. And you can actually use a couple of these apps here to actually help you to try and reduce the stress. So everything that you can expect in a typical smartwatch today, you can also find it on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS right here. Now, last but not least, I should also mention that one of my favorite features here is actually the Spotify. Now, with Spotify installed onto the watch itself, I'm able to download the songs that I listen to all the time. So I have it inside the watch here, and that means I do not need to carry my phone with me when I go for my runs. I can just wear the watch and it will play the music. I can just connect it to my Bluetooth earbuds and it will work flawlessly. Very, very good stuff there for this TicWatch itself. Now, last but not least, let's talk very quickly about the battery life for this guy. Now, TicWatch is claiming that if you use it normally, like how a normal person would use it, you should be able to get up to 2 to 3 days of battery life on this watch right here. But if you want to go into the essential mode, and that basically turns off almost everything, you can go up to 45 days with this watch. But I would say that 2 days sounds more realistic if you're planning to use all these features on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. Alright guys, that's pretty much what I can say here. This is just, like I mentioned earlier on, a quick preview of the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. It's a very, very long name here. Again, this is going for RM1399 here in Malaysia. $330 if you're in from other regions of the world. And yeah, I hope you find this watch here interesting. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of smartwatch. Is this something that you might consider buying? Is this what you're looking for? Let me know down in the comment section below. And last but not least, I do hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.